Good morning, viewers. Today I'm going to take you for a walk in my garden. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. This garden is in Karachi, Defence Phase 6 area, and due to the recent rains here, all the dying and the yellowish plants have really become lush green and beautiful. There's no plan to the garden as such. We just somehow it happens that we keep planting new plants and trees, and in 5 to 10 years the garden gets a new look automatically. This is an olive tree. As you can see, we planted this 2 years ago. It's doing pretty well. This tree is about 15 years old. This wall, this house, the side of the house used to look very barren. So we made a bed and planted some ashok and jujobas and jacobas, and some other plants. So the barrenness has gone now. There's this very beautiful chambeli creeper. I hope you enjoyed the walk as much as I do every morning. You have a great day. Bye for now.